whatever happened to Natasha Denona? I don't see that many influencers talking about this brand as much anymore. I will admit, I only own this one palette. This is the Metropolis palette. And when I first got it, it was at that insane $179 price. And I think it's absolutely a stunning palette. My only problem with it is that it does kick back quite a bit. It is a very dusty product. Remember back in the day when these Natasha Denona palettes had the influencers in a chokehold, right? Everybody was going on and on about how amazing and smooth and incredible it was worth the price for these $179 eyeshadow palettes. And as a makeup artist, I had to try it, right? Don't get me wrong, it is a stunning eyeshadow formula. I just feel that there are a lot better palettes out there that don't have such a hefty price tag to it. You know what I'm saying? But back in the day, the influencers were insane for Natasha Denona. They do blend really nicely into each other. I just don't know what happened. I don't know why it is that people aren't talking about Natasha Denona as much anymore. I will say, picking it back up after all this time, I get it. I get it. It is a nice formula. That blendability is really lovely. Let's see, is it gonna build up? I really haven't used this palette in so long. I might have to pick this bad boy back up. Yeah, she's giving something. She's doing it. Okay. From what I remember, there was a lot of fallout, but I think if you use a light hand, it's not so bad. You don't get nearly as much fallout, because I got barely any fallout this time, and I was really going for a really light makeup application, you know? So I think that that was one of the things that I wasn't that big of a fan of, is you can get fallout as you do applications if you're doing a heavy application. So just be aware of that. And like I said, I just used a very light hand when applying everything. I'm just blending all the shadows together with my original transition shade, and do the tiniest under the brow highlight. I'm doing that. That was too much on that eye. Just blend it out. And make them even. That's much better. Yeah, I don't know why I stopped using this palette. Again, I think it was all about that fallout aspect. But I'm really happy with it. I need to start using this palette more. Last, I'm just gonna keep going back into that light shade that I did on the lid and just inner corner of the eye highlight, just a really soft one, and blend it back into the lid shade. Okay, that's great. Blend that right in. Wow, okay. I'm really happy with the application. I think it came out really nice. What do you guys think? I really am happy the way my makeup came out. So I think I definitely will be pulling out this Natasha Denona palette more often. But leave me a comment and let me know, are you still using Natasha Denona? What's your favorite palette?